Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can link a menu item with a section and then how you can redirect from any other page. So for example, if I click here, then here you can see it is redirecting me to the particular section. So for example, if I go on any other page and then let me try to go back to the that section, then here you can see it's not working. So how you can fix out that? You can go back to the website menu page and then scroll down. So after that, let me edit this menu item, and now we need to add this website link. So this one, let me add here and then click on save menu. So now let me go back and then let me open any other page, and now I want to go back to the featured products. Now here you can see it's working fine. So just you need to add website link before that ID.